Welcome to this video. Today we will learn about data types in Python. Understanding data types is important because Python is a dynamically typed language. Means we don't need to declare data types explicitly, but we must understand how they work. By the end of the video, you will know how to store, manipulate and convert data efficiently in Python. What are data types? Python provides different data types to store value efficiently. In Python, automatically assign a type when we store a value. Data types are classified into two types. One is primitive type, another one is non-primitive type. Primitive types are the basic data types that stores a single value at a time. They are built-in and provide the foundation for all other data types. Primitive types integer, float, string and boolean. Non-primitive types are the complex data types that store multiple values and provide more functionality. They are built on type of primitive types. Non-primitives are list, tuple, dictionary and sets. Coming to the primitive data types, integer. Integer represents whole numbers like positive, negative, 0. In this example, age equal to 25. 25 is a number, age is a variable. It represents integer data type. Float. Float represents decimal numbers like pi equal to 3.14. 3.14 is a decimal number, pi is a variable. It represents float data type. String. String represents text enclosed in single or double quotations. In this example, name equal to John. John is placed inside the double quotations. Name is a string data type. Boolean. Boolean represents true or false values. In this example, is Python fun is a variable, true is a Boolean value. Now we will check the data type of a variable by using type keyword. In the before examples, age equal to 25, pi equal to 3.14, name equal to John, is Python fun equal to true. It will check the type keyword and run the code. Age is a integer data type, pi is a float data type, name is a string data type, is Python fun is a Boolean data type. Collection data types. Lists. Lists are ordered, mutable collections of elements. They allow duplicate values. Lists are accessing by using indexing values starts with 0. Lists are represented by square brackets. In this example, fruits. Fruits is a list variable. Apple, banana, cherry are the list items. In the list items are accessing by using indexing. Tuples. Tuples are ordered but immutable collections. They allow duplicate values. They also accessing by using indexing values starts with 0. Tuples are represented by parentheses. In this example, colors. Colors is a tuple variable. Red, blue, green are the tuple items. It can also accessing by using indexing values. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are stores data in key value pairs, but keys are unique. Values can be duplicated. Dictionaries are unordered and mutable collections of items. In this example, student is a dictionary variable name. Inside the curly braces, left side of the semicolon is keys and right side of the semicolon is values. Sets. Sets are unordered collection of elements. It can maintain a unique elements. Sets are mutable. It can change any values. It can represented by curly braces. In this example, fruits is a set variable name. Inside the curly braces are set items. In the set items, apple is a duplicated value. Since sets are for not allowing duplicated values, Python automatically removes the second apple. In this example, now we will check the data types by using type keyword. In these previous examples, fruits, colors, student, fruits. Now it will run the code. Okay. Fruit is a list. Colors is a tuple. Students is a dictionary. Fruit items is a set. Thank you.